Good morning, dear kids. Welcome to social science class. Hope you would have done the previous class work. Right? Okay. Dear children, today I am going to teach you with the same lesson 1, Locating Places on a Globe, part 4. Before that, let's recall what we studied in the last class. Okay. The previous class we discussed about the lines of longitude and features of longitude. Then dear children, can you say what are the lines of longitude? Yes, the lines of longitude are imaginary lines that run from the North Pole to the South Pole. They are also called meridians. The 0 degree longitude is known as the prime meridian. Meridians measure the distance of a place east or west of the prime meridian. Okay. Dear children, now let's move on with today's topic, important lines of longitude. The first important line of longitude is known as the prime meridian. As you know already, the prime meridian is passing through 0 degree longitude. That's why it is also known as 0 degree longitude. And at the same time, it is also known as Greenwich meridian. Why it is known as Greenwich meridian? Listen. The longitude passing through the town of Greenwich in the United Kingdom. It is particularly passing through the London. The local time at Greenwich is called the Greenwich Mean Time or GMT. Based on GMT, we calculate the meridians of other places on the earth and also the local time at those meridians. Is it clear? So dear children, the first important line of longitude is known as prime meridian, and at the same time it is also known as another names. They are 0 degree longitude and Greenwich meridian. Okay. The second important line of longitude is known as the International Date Line or IDL. It roughly follows the 180 degree longitude. This is an imaginary line, marks the border after which the calendar date is changed by a whole day. The places to the east of the International Date Line are a day ahead of the places to the west of the International Date Line. For example, if it is 20th October to the west of the International Date Line, then it is 21st October to the east of the International Date Line. For example, the people who are living in the east of the International Date Line, they get 19th June, and the people who are living in the west of the International Date Line, they get 18th June. Is it clear? The International Date Line or ideal is not a straight line. It zigzags at a few places to avoid dividing some countries into two parts. Listen dear children, do you know the International Date Line is not a straight line? Why? The International Date Line is not a straight line because to avoid dividing some countries which are locating wide longitudinal extent. Okay. Listen once more. The second important line of longitude is known as the International Date Line or IDL. It follows the 180 degree longitude. This is an imaginary line, marks the border after which the calendar date is changed by a whole day. This line is not a straight line. It is a zigzag line. Okay. Next we can discuss about the global grid. Dear children, we have already learned about grid. Do you know what is a grid? Yes, grid is a network of lines crossing each other to form squares or rectangles. Very good. Then what is a global grid? The network formed by the intersecting lines of latitude and longitude is called the global grid. The global grid is used to give the exact location of a place. This is done by finding out which latitude and longitude intersect at the point where the place is located. Okay. So dear children, Now I am concluding today's topic. Today we discussed about the important lines of longitude. The first important line of longitude is known as the prime meridian, and it is also known as 0 degree longitude, and it is also known as Greenwich meridian. Okay. The second important line of longitude is known as the international date line. It marked as 180 degree longitude. And at last, the global grid. What is a global grid? The network formed by intersecting lines of latitude and longitude is called the global grid. Okay. So dear children, all of you read the textbook very well. Then you will get clear idea about the lesson. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.